Good evening traders, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to do analysis on Bank Nifty and try to predict the important levels for tomorrow. So before we go into the analysis, please read the disclaimer that is appearing here, and it is very important to read and understand. So now yesterday we were discussing that what if there is a huge gap down in Bank Nifty, correct? And also we have tried to identify what could be the levels from where the Bank Nifty can try to take the support, right? Those that analysis will be nullified because there was no gap down opening in Bank Nifty and there was a very flat opening, right? And we also have discussed what if there is a flat opening in Bank Nifty and quickly it comes towards a downwards direction, right? And I predicted that 50,200 can be a good support. 50,200, right? Once this level is broken, then 50,000 can act as a good support again. I always, and at the same time I was telling you that 400 points can be a down move. I'm not saying more downward direction because on 6th of September we already have seen 900 points of fall, right? Now, so anyways, if you see the price action of Bank Nifty on 6th, see when it has opened here gap down and quickly it moved towards the upward direction. From there was a sell off and it broke this swing, right? This swing it has got broken, correct? This is the swing. It has got broken and then there was a quick sell off and continuously the selling pressure was there, right? Now here if you see there was a flat opening today, and once the price was able to go down and there was a recovery from this bottom levels, right? Because this level was also a important level for us because as per our analysis we always try to draw the low of the day and the high of the day, right? So from the low of this day it almost took the support and started breaking this level. Okay, which level? This high, right? This is considered to be a the swing has able to broken by the Bank Nifty here. This can be a swing, right? From like this, like this here. If you see in the 6th of 6 chart, the swing was able to break, and here the swing was able to break towards upward direction, correct? So now if you see, once the swing was taken away, again the price was not able to sustain at the higher level. It almost came back to the previous closing day. That means 6th of closing day. See, in our analysis we are going to consider the closing price is also very important. Okay, when the price travels from downward direction to the upward direction, or from the upward direction to the downward direction, there is a high chances that previous day's closing can act as a good support or good resistance. So now I will teach you how to draw the previous day's closing. Okay, so now go into this settings and draw the line. Okay, and again go to settings, labels, symbol, previous day closing price label, this one. Okay, once again I will show you. Go to lines and select this previous day closing price line, and then go to labels, select a symbol previous day close price label, and then because it is a very thin line, so double click here. Once you go there, go to the canvas or the status line, okay, scales and lines, and then you can select previous days line, and you can select the thickness of how much you want. Okay, I'm selecting the second one because this thickness is enough for me to identify this is the previous day's closing. So when this swing was taken out, the price was going towards upward direction, again came back to the closing price, took the support and moved back, right? And again it has tried to retest the previous closing price, exactly took the support. From here there was one side movement towards the upward direction. Okay, now this level has become a good support for Bank Nifty. If this is broken anytime in upcoming days, then it can easily travel into this channel again. So always maintain this channel. We don't know how the price action can be formed in Bank Nifty. If there is a huge selling again, if this is going to come back with a strong sell off, then there is high chances that it can still travel to 50,000, 49,800, 49,600, 49,400. Okay, but I'm not, see, my bias is not towards the bearishness, but I'm keeping this channel in case if there is a bearishness in the market, then how we can able to use this parallel channel. Okay, now, so today's high is this, today's low is this, and I'm going to draw one more line, can be a resistance. Okay, can be a resistance in Bank Nifty. So I'm considering this area will be a good resistance because took the resistance, came back to the previous day's closing price. When it moving up, stood for a while here, the price stayed for quite half an hour, right, or 20 to 30 minutes, then it was able to move towards the upward direction. Okay, now this price is going to be very important. That is 50,900 is going to be very important line. Please remember this, or else you can draw one horizontal line here and you can keep it here for your reference, 50,900. By looking at the Dow Jones today, see the Dow, by looking at the Dow Jones chart, okay, the price is moving, okay, quickly towards the upward direction, and it is trying to create a head and shoulder pattern, or it is going to move like this, or it is going to come back to this level, we don't know. But as of now, the Dow Jones is trading at 465 points positive. If this positiveness continues, okay, at the end of the day till the Dow Jones get closed for the day, okay, then there is a huge chances that Bank Nifty can open around 200 to 300 points positive. There is no surprise. Okay, so please remember this. If Dow Jones is closed around, if the Dow Jones closes around 468 or 450 or 500 or 400, there is a high chances that Bank Nifty can open with the minimum of 300 points positive. So from here, this is the closing. From here, 300 points you can consider. Okay, I am considering 340 points. It is around 51,500 levels. Correct? And whenever you see the round levels 51,500 or 51,000, 51,400, these round levels are going to be act as a very good support or resistance. If it is taking the resistance here, once the price has opened here and it starts coming towards the downside, okay, we can try to take one attempt towards the downwards direction. Put, we can buy put, we can give one attempt to the downward direction to the target of this 51,100, or else it can take a support at the higher levels, that is 51,200. We can give one attempt. In case quickly there is a fall like this and it is trying to recover, please close your positions and watch for the price action. Whether it is going to move upward direction like this, or it is going to go upward direction quickly like this and closes entire day in sideways. Entire day in sideways like this. Okay, because it is getting prepared for its expiry, or a next move is going to come towards upward direction like this. And one more thing, important thing that you need to always remember is, when there is a movement like this to the upward direction, first day and the second day if there is a upward direction, and third day if there is upward direction, very fourth day there is a minimal chances that the price action can continue to go upward direction. Okay, it will halt somewhere else like this. It will spend some time, gets consolidated. Okay, and then it will decide its next move, whether it wanted to move towards like this upward direction, or it will move towards the downward direction like this. Okay, so now because from the last couple of days in Bank Nifty, okay, the price stood sideways, correct. For the last 4 to 5 days the price stood sideways, and there was a retracement, in the sense downward direction of momentum, and this downward direction has taken out today, and is trying to move towards the upward direction. Okay, so please remember these important levels and try to place the orders with the minimum risk. Okay, and intraday trading is not a compulsion that you need to trade daily basis. Okay, intraday trading has that potential that even though if you are not able to trade, if you are not trading for a couple of days, when there is setup, your known setup has been created, it can give you good profits. Whatever the days that you are left without trading, those days profits also can be covered in a single day. Okay, remember this, and try to avoid taking unnecessary positions where you are not sure. Okay, avoid, understand the price action, and then you start placing the orders that can help you, okay, to make money instead of losing money. Thank you guys, thank you very much, and have a nice day tomorrow. Thank you.